Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable LED when receives notification on Samsung Galaxy A05. Simply go on Play Store, install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it, tap on Edge Lightning. From here, you can select the Edge Lightning designs, like you can select 2 colors, 3 colors or single colors. If I select 3 colors, here you can see color palette is showing. If you want to select color palette, you can simply tap on it. Now if you scroll down, here you can see border type is showing. For example, dotted border, hard border. I am doing it default. Again scroll down. Here you can see some other customization. From here you can customize the notch. For example, if I disable this option, as you can see, notch is not showing. If I enable this option, as you can see, notch is showing. In your case, if notch is not showing on the right direction, you can simply customize it by customizing the positions, position center and hole width. You can customize these settings according to your screen. Now go back. Make sure to enable this option. Scroll down. Tap on selected apps. From here you can select the notification which you want to show LED light. For example, I want to show LED light on Facebook notification, so I will simply select Facebook from here. That's it. Now go back. Scroll down. Go in notification duration. From here you can set the notification duration. My is 5 seconds. You can increase it and decrease it and simply tap on save. This is how you can enable LED notification on Samsung Galaxy A05. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.